Towards a smart factory, connectivity for all machines is the first step. The traditional solution is to add a communication module. However, when there are dozens of brands or even 20-year-old machines in the production line, this becomes complex and expensive. Thankfully, there is a better way, the communication gateway. Gateway supports a range of IT and OT protocols for industrial device communication, IoT, and database connection. Therefore, a gateway can connect to many machines, and do so in a flexible way. Gateway is generally more reasonably priced, and being a one-size-fits-all solution, the overall learning cost is lower too. Gateways like Weintek's G series don't require coding. Both IT and OT people will find them easy to work with, and helpful in system integration, achieving great savings and great results.